On the occasion of Women's Day, let me congratulate each one of you. As Lily Janamani Madam very nicely told that 365 days, I too echo that. Every day is a Women's Day, and for that matter, every day is also a Men's Day. It's not all the 365 days are Women's Day. Each day is also a Men's Day. Being a researcher, I like to observe. In many meetings I have seen, whenever a woman is on the dais, the better counterpart, be it spouse, be it brother, be it father, they start recording on the phone. But I rarely see the reverse. When a man is on the dais, a woman recording, the chances of the scene is little less. So congratulations to all of us. In fact, when we are looking at Viksit Bharat, neither women alone nor men alone can do it. It's all going to be a complementing each other and completing the journey. Very recently, I was sharing the dais with Smriti Irani ma'am. She had come to ICMR because I represent Indian Council of Medical Research, the apex medical research organization of the country and the oldest medical research organization in the world. We are more than 118 years old. And all of you might have seen the role ICMR played during the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. And ICMR traditionally has been, I won't say dominated, but at least more than a fair share of women. In fact, currently in ICMR, when we look at around 50% of our leadership are women. And during COVID pandemic, at RMRC Bhubaneswar, we had 2 labs. One was our virus research diagnostic lab. Dipu is here. Dipu used to come with a lot of new ideas, new kits also. One lab was entirely managed by women, while the other lab was entirely managed by men. Why I am saying this? Whatever response when it comes to healthcare, we do have ASAs, we do have ANMs, we do have doctors, we do have nurses. So I feel that each one has their own special role to play. But unless all of us play our own role well, it's difficult to achieve the collective goal. And in fact, all of us know the various roles mothers or women play. And it was very heartening to see Preeti, who is playing the role of not only the host, but also the MD of Sunstar TV, and her daughter sitting there were shouting in between, "Mommy, mommy." So you are MD and Mama both together, and congratulations for fulfilling both the roles so well. I think it's a woman who is one of the advantages I feel being a woman is that we are very good at multitasking. We can manage multiple tasks at the same time without compromising with the other. I remember one day I was asking one of my young scientists who is a man, I asked, "Did you do this? Did you do that? Did you do that?" Then he politely replied, "Ma'am, I am not a woman. I am not good at multitasking. I can only do one work at one time. So I get confused when you ask more." Maybe that has been nature's gift to see that, because a woman has to do multiple roles. But at the same time, we feel so honored with this recognition that we try to compromise our own health also, because we want to show that we are good at everything. So my suggestion to all the women here, let us not try to be perfect at everything, because imperfection is also natural. And in medical science, we say that a person who is completely normal is abnormal, because you are not falling under the +2 -2 standard deviation of the normal distribution. So let us not try to be very perfect at everything. Let us accept all small imperfections we have, because the stress that we get and our inability to cope with daily demands comes when we expect much more from ourselves compared to what we can deliver. And Sunstar TV, in fact, I didn't know, I was asking that because I am not much into social media or into other digital channel. I'm sure media plays. So when you look at all the partners here, you can see that it's a multi-sectoral or it's a multiple partner coming together for a common goal. And media plays an extremely important role when it comes to maybe debunking myth. Lily Janamani Madam was saying that cervical screen, there was a lot of opposition initially when the HPV vaccination came, and it was media who really debunked those myths or superstition. Same happened in COVID. Media play a very, very critical role, making people know the truth. And when media comes as a champion of women's development, it is unstoppable. And I would like to add one word, women for women and with women. So let the Viksit Bharat 2047 and Viksit Odisha, what we are looking at, be a women-led development where women not only contribute but also support other, because here the women who are there, they all of you don't need support, because the fact that all of us are here, we have got some kind of support or some kind of enabling environment in our life. But it's more important that how do we sow the same path to other women who may need it. And with these words, I would like to appeal that when we are thinking of India as a developed country, the first important, because the road to Viksit Bharat must go through Ayushman Bharat. That means unless we are a healthy citizen or healthy country, we can't achieve all the benefits of development. So it's very important, each one of us, not to stay healthy, but also make the environment which is conducive for health and wellness. And secondly, for Viksit Bharat, for Viksit Odisha, it's very important each state or each organization to think, how can we be Atmanirbhar? Currently, the crisis of LPG is happening because maybe we really need to put our efforts, how can we be an energy secure country as well. So it's time to think that how can we go beyond our traditional boundaries or achievement and think not only yourself or your organization or your state or your society, how can we be not only self-sufficient but also be the supporter for other countries, the way we supply, because India is known as the pharmaceutical capital of the world. Whole of Africa depends upon medicine supply from companies in India, many such as IT. So let us make sure that when women-led development is happening, it becomes the torch bearer or the lighthouse for other low and middle income countries. And that is the power of Indian women. I'm sure the spirit of women-led development, women for women, women with women, which has been ignited in this platform, will grow ever and ever and glow forever. Thank you.